Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tania. I hope you're all fine and doing well. This is my part 2 of my pen sketch journey, like that I have done for my submissions. So this is my second drawing that I have done for pen sketch, and I quite enjoyed it. I didn't know that I will love pen sketch this much. Like, it's totally amazing that I'm liking to do more pen sketch. Like right now, I'm not liking pen sketch anymore. Sorry, pencil sketch anymore. But I'm feeling like to do more pen sketch, and I'm really loving it. So this is how it looks like. This is totally a landscape scene, a nature study that I have done. I hope my teacher will like it, because when I was in my class and I was doing the submission, my teacher really didn't like my submission, my drawing. He was quite disappointed, and I hope now he will love my this drawing, and I hope you will understand what I have done. This is the water, and these are the reflections, and this is the some trees, and also a house, and also some backgrounds. I tried to do my best. I hope my teacher will like it. Bye, and wait for the part 3.